So we still have 11 minutes till interest rate announcement, but the main thing is not the interest rate, but uh, is the Fomc meeting, what they will speak about and what they will say about. So our focus for now is only buys on NQ, but our mainly focus is only. So I would like to think we may see a buy. Also, I think the price will go around, let's say, this level first. Then we should look for daily level. I'm not sure if the price will go lower. Let's see. So this is a daily open. Okay, this looks very interesting to me. Okay, wow. You see how big difference is if you press this button, adjust for contract change, and if you don't adjust for contract change, you see? This is a big difference. So this button, so let's say adjust for contract change, should be always on. As you can see, it takes in account the movement with the contract change. Without it, you cannot see like the liquidity from the left side if it was taken, or let's say the gap was filled. And in this way, okay, so looks like the price wants to move higher for now. Also, I think we may see a very big bullish candle outside bar on 8 hour and 4 hour as well. So 8 hour is a New York open. So this is the low of New York and this is the high of New York. So I would like to see an outside bar on 8 hour to close above this level. I think the market is already priced in regarding the holding interest rates, or even in thinking about increasing the interest rate for now. Yeah, I would expect this meeting they will speak about holding the interest rates, or even thinking about increasing the interest rate. Let me show you why. So here we have 10-year bond. So 10-year, come on. So T break even, USA 10-year, USA 10-year. One second. So this is here we have like the bond market interest rate for the, I would say, let's put a monthly. So as we can see, we have the interest rate, like this is the central bank rate around 4.6, but I think we should look for about 4. I don't know, even it can go higher, let's say 5.3 by the end of 2027 in USA. So this will affect the whole globe, but I hope this month we may see like a closure lower and then a price drop and interest rate drop. I hope, but I'm not so optimistic regarding the economy and the whale price right now. The whale price is very tricky. What is the whale price now? Is 84, but I would expect around 95 by the end of this August, let's say. I even expected 105 to reach 105, if not higher. I'd expect a bullish weekly closure around 90, or let's say 90 or 89. Then the next one probably trying to take these highs on the left, close inside, and probably range for a few more days, and then break around and hold around 100 level. Okay. So, anyway, now we are looking at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq looks like it wants to go lower first, but about today, we are speaking about today. So we have two ways for today. The price can retrace, close inside, go for the previous day high, and we can have an outside bar on a daily and a bullish closure by the end of this session. Or we may see the price drop lower. Let's watch it. So we still have 3.4 minutes till interest rate. From what I think, the FOMC meeting will discuss more about holding rates for longer and probably to even increase rates if it's necessary, if the inflation goes higher. But this is not in the way what Trump wants to see it. And this is the reason why the FOMC meeting, they can be very careful speaking about the increasing the interest rates, because I think this is a Trump's man. Anyway, I would look, if we see this closure on 30 minutes, then I think the price will drop lower. Let's see. Probably drop and then pump higher. But I think, but I want to see an outside bar on 8 hours. So I want to see the high of the New York session to be around these levels, if not higher. So let's wait. And tomorrow probably will be one more drop, one more red day on NQ. So let's see. We should be very careful. Very careful. People who don't know how to trade FOMC or any kind of news like this volatile, you should stay away. And that. Yep. So I'm changing my risk parameters. I'm moving my TP to a 50 points. Okay. So here we go, guys. We should look for one leg to the upside first. Around 60 points. I enter the buy right now. We still have 40 seconds. I'm gonna get out if anything happens. So my stop loss is 8.9 points, so 9 points. So I enter a buy just for a 50-60 points move. My TP is around 750, so I'm already up 20 points. So I'm gonna take half of it and put everything to break even. So I took half and put everything to break even because 10 seconds we have FOMC. We have the interest rate announcement. So I'm gonna hold. I'm holding. So let's see. So looks like I was right. Woo! Wow. What a move, guys. Wow. I have 2.5 micros, and it closed around $654 in profit. It's it's almost 150 points. Wow. Yep. So here we go, guys. At this level, we should look for one more buy. Yes, I'm gonna enter one more buy right here. Let's see it. We may see a drop in this 1 minute. We should be very careful. Okay. If the price drops lower, you should get out from the trade. Okay, let's see it go higher. Holding, guys, holding. Amazing. Okay. Let's see it go higher. I want to see the New York session and the London session, the high from the London session to be taken. Let's see, I took half of it. I'm 28 points in profit. I put everything to break even. So I would like to see the price. Oh, so I will be stopped out because this 1 minute will go all the way back down. You should be very careful. Yes. Okay. I just take another half, just a risk management decision. I want to see the price going higher. Let's go, brother. I move my stop loss higher. In profit, I would say 8 points in profit, stop loss. And my TP is about, I'm of a move. Let's see, 70 points in profit, 71 points in profit, my TP. Okay, so I'll be stopped out. Yes, I was stopped out. So the next minute will drop and then probably will be in a range. So, yes, the next minute we will see a drop and probably close higher. Okay, we target for this low, so 810. We're looking for 110, 810. Okay, let's see it. I want to get a buy, to be honest. I just entered the quick buy, but looks like I'm wrong. Let's see. Yes, I'm wrong. Okay, I should get out. Yes, I'm out. So I gave some back, but there's nothing wrong. So here we go. So what I'm looking for the 8-hour candle to close around this level and probably go for this level as well. So I want to be very... So once the price reaches, let's say 750, I may look for one more buy. Or even now, I want to take a buy, to be honest. And I'm gonna do it right now. I entered a buy. Let's see it. Let's see what happens. In case it drops lower, I'm out. The price may drop lower. Definitely it can. So let me put on 1 minute. So I'm already... Yes, I entered around this level buy. Okay, let's see the price. So looks like wanna drop. I'm adding one more buy. Okay, that's good. The price still may drop lower. You should be very careful. I take half of it. Okay, I put everything to break even. Let's see, the upper entry I was stopped out. I still have the lower entry. So looks like I was stopped out from lower entry as well. So 30 seconds left. I re-enter buy. Let's see it. I still want to see a buy here. I may be wrong, I don't know. Let's see. The next minute may drop. If not this one. Let's see. But I'm bullish for now on NQ. So my TP is 50. Okay, that's a good buy. I took half of it. I took half. So I'm taking another half. 45 points in profit. Stop loss to break even. Amazing. So my TP got hit. Amazing. Looks like the price is gonna go higher. Much, much higher. Amazing. So why I'm still not stopped out? How much I am profit today? So I'm not far from my daily max daily profit. So I'm gonna stay chill because I have one more trade probably to close me out from everything. And probably I'm done for today. Let's see if I get one more trade. So we have 900, 27, 900 above it. We should be very careful. This looks like an equal highs, but I think it's gonna give me one more buy right here, and I enter a buy. Let's see. Come on, this is not double top. You should squeeze higher. Let's see. Okie dokie. So I have one mini. Let's see what the price is gonna do. Amazing. Break higher, brother. Don't close. If goes lower, I'm out. I need just 10 points. 10 points. Give me that 10 points. Okay, give it to me. Give it to me. Really? So it looks like it's going down. Let's see. I want to see the breakout and go higher. So this is kind of double top, but I think the price is going to move higher. Let's see. So the 5 minute, we still have 2 minutes in the 5 minute, and probably I should get out. Let's see. So let's see. This 1 minute may close bullish and break the previous 1 minute high. In case it's not, wow. Okay. Come on, brother. Go and close bullish. I'm still in kind of trade and I don't want to close it, but looks like I have to. Let's see it. I want to see a bullish close on one this minute. Okay, let's go, brother. I close half of it in a loss, but I'm still holding half, just a risk management. In case I see a bullish closure, then I may add one more buy. In case it's not, it's dropping. Come on. So I'm adding one more buy. I added, and probably I will close in a big loss. Not a big, but around 700. Let's see the price go higher. So this is kind of I averaged down and I did a mistake, so I'm out from everything. So how much I gave back? Okay, I gave back almost 750. I don't like it. I was so close, so close. Anyway. Yes, if the price reached this level and is not stopping, then we're definitely going for lower level for the low on the left. And we still have 10 seconds, 8 seconds in this 5 minute, and may give a fake move to the upside and then a drop. Okay, and I got in a short. Amazing. Okay, so I'm adding one more short. Okay. So I added 2 trades right here. In case it goes higher, I'm out. But if not, come on, go lower. Then looks like it's going higher. Let's see it. So looks like I probably may be wrong. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for this 1 minute closure. If this 1 minute goes up, I'm out from everything. It may not, I don't know. It may drop, it may go higher. Let's see. This is what it does with our mind, yeah? I think this is gonna be a big bearish candle on 1 minute. Let's see. If not, not. Woo! Amazing. Go lower, brother. I took halves already, and I'm gonna move probably break even. I don't like it. So this is gonna be a bullish close. I close everything. Yes, I close everything. And the next minute is gonna go higher. Or not. Yes, we need a 5-minute high, but I don't think we are going for the 5-minute high. I think we are dropping lower. Okay. So I'm looking for 800 level. 27,800. Let's see. Come on. I want to see a bearish closure on 1 minute and the next one to drop lower, because we still have 2 minutes in the 5-minute, and we should see a bearish 5-minute closure, or at least. Okay, amazing. Okay, amazing. Drop, brother. Drop. Okay. We may see a bullish 1 minute right here. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So I have 2 entries, one from the previous minute and one trade from this 1 minute open, and my stop loss is break even. I already took halves, and my TP is around 800 levels. Once the 1 minute closes, I may add one more short. Okay, and let's go. I added one more short right here. This 1 minute may go and close bullish. Yeah, it can go. Let's see. I would like to say bearish 1 minute. Amazing. Go and take the low from the left, brother. Amazing. Come on. Take it. Take it. Yo. I put everything to break even. Took halves. And I'm out from everything. Yeah, I close everything. This is how you trade, guys, and this is how you make money. This is for us retailers. Risk management is very important, and you should have the right tools to trade it. So now you should look for the price first to drop and then move higher. I still think we're going for higher levels, but we are 15 minutes till FOMC meeting speech, so we should be very careful. So yeah, uh, yeah, looks like the 1 minute is still bullish, but you should be very careful. Even if it goes higher, you should wait. My recommendation: you should wait. I'm not in any trades right now. I almost few hundreds away from my max daily profit. I recovered all my losses from what I gave back, 750. I recovered and I made even more with few hundreds more. Yeah. So as I said, this 1 minute may all close around this level. So we are around 800. This looks very interesting to me because when the speech starts, we may see this 1 minute low to be taken. So this is where this is where I entered buy, and this is what where my TP was around hit, but my TP was about around this level, but because of the volatility, it stopped me around this level. So let's look at how the bond market reacts. This is the very important thing. Who thinks bond market is not important? Usually for retailers who doesn't know how to read it, how to intercept it, let's say how to read the bond market, but this is the king. Yeah, everything what happens in USA, in the world, actually is linked to this. This is the most important chart what you can see. This one and this one, yeah. And these two are the most important two things in the world right now and the next probably 10 years. And you should learn how to read this. And Nasdaq is just Nasdaq doing its own thing. So the next 1 minute is gonna be a bullish one. You should be very careful with shorts. You should be very careful with shorts on Nasdaq right here. Should I enter a buy? I'm gonna enter a buy with okay. So looks like I was wrong, probably. I'm not sure. Yes, I was wrong. So this is what happens when you are overconfident. Come on. Yes, I'm out. So I gave back almost a few hundreds, not a few hundreds, but 126. Yeah, I think this 1 minute is gonna be a bullish closure. And the next 1 minute it's gonna be a drop on NQ. And we still have 10 minutes till FOMC speech. We should be very careful. Let's find out about FOMC, what they're gonna speak about. So let's see. Yep, as I said. So here the short is coming. This is a very good short. I enter a short. And my TP is about, I'm gonna move it higher. So my TP is about 44 points in profit. I'm not have, okay, amazing. So I took half of it. So my TP is at the low of that 1 minute, of this 1 minute. Why I put it there? Because next 1 minute may be a bullish one. Let's see. I hope not. So I want to add one more short, and I'm adding one more short right here. Let's see. In case it goes higher, I'm out. Yes, it can go higher. Come on, brother, don't go higher. Drop. Yes, it will go higher. Drop lower. Okay, amazing. Amazing. Close half of it just because I'm a bit heavy on it. Not heavy, but yeah, almost 1 mini. I close another half, everything to break even. The lower entry stopped out. I still have the upper entry. So I recovered my recently loss, and here it goes. I'm entering another short right here. Amazing. I added 5 micros right here. Amazing. I want to see it moving lower. Go lower. Okay, we should be very careful. I'm taking halves just in case, because I'm very careful with this 1 minute. It can play very fast both sides. Let's see it move lower. Come on, drop lower. So 20 seconds in this 1 minute. I want to see the low of this 1 minute to be taken first, but looks like it will not. So, as I said, we should be very careful. I close everything. Okay. And now here the short is coming. Let's see. Let's see the price go higher first. And yeah, I enter a short. In case it goes higher, I'm out. Okay, I want to see a red candle. Okay, that's a good one. Go lower. So we still have 30 seconds. I don't like what it's doing here. I want to see the price move lower. Amazing. Move lower, please. Don't do that. Amazing. So now we have selling domination. Amazing. Amazing trade. I took half of it. Amazing. My entry is around this level. I took a short right there. Amazing, amazing trade. I took half of it. I put everything to break even, and let's see. I want to see this level. I want to see 27. Okay, here I'm adding one more short. I'm adding right here. Okay, if it goes higher, I'm out. Okay, I close everything. I close everything. So actually, I didn't make anything because this spike, I added 5 micros and stopped out around this level. So basically, with this trade, with this loss, I'm break even from what I was from my previous high. Anyway, we still have 30 seconds in this 5 minute, and we may see a bullish 5 minute closure. We should be very careful. Once more, for people who wasn't here, please, on TradingView, activate adjust for contract adjustment. I know someone because I know who I speak about. Please activate the BAG, because this is a different way. I will show you right now. As you can see, if I don't have it activated, then the price shows higher. Yeah? But once it's activated, the price shows lower, because it takes into account the contract change. And this is very important, especially for liquidity levels. I know to who I say this because someone is new. Not new, but I'm not sure if he knows about this or she. So looks like we may see a drop. I'm gonna short right here. Okay, probably not now, but yeah, next minute is gonna be a bullish one, then a drop. Okay, I was good. Good. Drop, please. Drop. Okay, go higher a bit. Okay. And I may add one more short. Come on. Let's see. I'm looking to add one more short. Okay. So I added one more short. Come on. Okay, I wanna see a drop here. Or at least a closure a week with a week. Amazing. Go lower, brother. So I'm gonna put my upper entry break even. Come on, drop. So here can play both ways, but I think it's gonna be a drop. Amazing trade. Amazing. So this is what happens when you know. I took halves. This is what happens when you have experience in the market. I took one trade here and I had one from here. So I'm still in profit, and even if I took halves. So I want to see this 5 minute to go lower. Come on. Go for... You see how this 1 minute low is so defensive? Come on, go lower. I see a lot of buyers at the level 2 right here. And this is the main reason why, because people put buys below this. Come on. Yeah. So I close everything, but anyway, it was a wrong step. Yeah. Probably wasn't, but I still think it's gonna be a bearish. I want to enter a short, to be honest. So I'm just gonna do it. Okay, go higher. I'm entering a short. I re-entered a short right there. Probably it can go higher, I don't know, but I don't trust this. The 5 minutes to me looks bearish, so amazing. It was a good decision to enter shorts. Amazing. So let's go. Once the 1 minute closes, I may add one more short. Come on. I want to see that 1 minute low to be taken. Don't do that to me. So we still have 1 minute. Okay, I added one more short. In case it goes higher, I'm out. Come on, drop lower. Looks like I'm wrong. Drop, brother. Drop. I close halves. Yeah, I close everything. Because it should already dropped. It's accumulating right here, but I think the low of this 1 minute will be taken and probably will move higher, I don't know. So you should be very careful because you have a 5 seconds delay between me and the stream, what you see and what I say. And this is the so we have the 15-minute closure and also the 30 minutes. So we have the speech now. We should be very careful. Let's see what they say. Let's say Fomc live speech. So let's see what he's gonna say today. I think he's gonna play both sides. Yeah. But from what I see, the price is gonna go higher, and I wanna go with it. I wanna take buys, but I'm gonna wait. My god, I'm still, how much I'm profit? So basically I'm 200 away from my max daily profit. Yeah, this is a buy right here. This is a very good. Amazing. Amazing. I enter a short. I enter a short. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, brother. Put everything to break even. Because okay. To be honest, I want to take more trades, but I'm not gonna do it because I can't. My god, what a good. So this is a buy, guys. No, 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 no. You should be very careful. You should be very careful with shorts as well, but I think it's a buy. In case this goes lower than this, then the price is going lower. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. So this 1 minute low was taken. As you can see, the 1 minute what I was looking, it was taken, and now the price will move higher for higher levels. I would expect to close around, not to close, but to go to have a bullish daily closure. So you should be very careful. This is a buy here. This is a definitely 100% buy. This 1 minute is a buy. But doesn't matter what I say, because you should be very careful trading your own account. So okay. Interesting. Very interesting. So if this 1 minute goes slower and closes around this level, that's tricky. I would expect this 1 minute to go higher. Let's see. I want to see a bullish 1 minute closure for this 1 minute especially, but looks like it may not. Yeah, I should be very careful. We are in a range here. We are in a range. I think it may drop lower, guys. The 5 minute shows it. The 5 minute closure shows like the price may go lower. I hope it will not, but from what I see it goes lower. Hope not. I don't know. Let's see. So here another drop comes. This is another short. For me, if I can manage it, but not for everyone. So should I take a short right here? Probably. Amazing. Okay. Okay. Come on, drop lower. Da, 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 da. Okay. Looks like the 5 minute is going higher. Really? Wow. Wow. Woo. Substantial increasing in tariff rates. Really? So this 1 minute may close inside bearish, but I still think it's going higher. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Who got into this buy? Amazing. So I close my app and open a buy. Just wow. Wow. And it was a good decision. I put everything to break even now. Amazing. Amazing buy, guys. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. What a move. Woo. Wow. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Amazing. So my took just one more trade and that's it. And 67 points in profit with the full 5 micros without taking profits. Amazing. And I'm gonna close the app. Not doing any more mistakes or any more. Amazing. Yes, from here you should go look only for buys till this level. This is probably daily open, if I'm not wrong. Yes, this is a daily open. You should be very careful at the daily open. Yeah, here's another buy. This is another buy, 1 minute. Okay, so we still have 5 minutes in the 15 minutes candle. This is very interesting to me. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow. So here's another buy, guys. Should expect a small pullback, then go higher. Or you can enter buy straight away. Straight away you can enter buy right here. This is a breakout trade on all time frames. Amazing. So we have 900 above it, 925. We should look for 925 here. We should take profits because here we have people taking profits. Also enter short someone. So we have 910 above it, 925. We are looking for 925, guys. 925 above it. Yeah, we have 925 right here. So this is a quarter from 100 points. This is usually people where take profits, retail traders or scalpers like us, and here you may see a reaction. Amazing, amazing. I'm jealous that I cannot trade anymore today. Amazing. So who took this buy? Breakout trade. Amazing trade. 76 points or even 90 points trade. Amazing. amazing day today. Yeah, but I am still recovering from my few days big mistake when I was on holiday, but I'm okay. So I have to stay away from risky days. But today is a very good day, a very good trading day. This is another, you should be very careful because this 1 minute may slam all the way back inside. Okay, here we go. So we have retesting the 900 level. You should look for this 1 minute to close around this level or not even inside, and the next one to go higher. You should be very careful. Or if we have a 1 minute closure around 910, then we're dropping lower. Okay, amazing. So for the price to move higher, we need a bullish 1 minute closure around 950 for it to move higher to trigger buys. But from what I see, I think the price still is gonna be in a range for a bit. But if you wanna scalp, just enter buy and get out once the 1 minute high is taken. Yeah, from here you can enter, let's say, buy, take profit and get away. But I think we are still in a range. So thank you very much, and I'm not gonna waste my time anymore here because I'm already green. I'm already very green. I'm not sure if it's worth staying it. Yeah, please comment and leave a like, please. Don't be greedy. Leave us a like. And yeah, thank you for everything, guys. And see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be 2 o'clock streaming London time. 2 o'clock London time. The price is going higher. At this level, you should look for one more push to the upside and probably go lower because this is a daily weapon and this is a very important level and a very tricky one. But yeah.